Okay, so there's something wrong with our car. That's the pipe that fell out of the inside of the car. Today we are on Koh Samui and we are doing a jungle tour to see all the sites that are on the island. It is our last day on Koh Samui and we haven't done any sightseeing besides the beaches yet. So we are super excited to take this jungle tour. The reviews look great. You're in a Jeep. It looks super fun. So that is what this vlog's gonna be. Right, Carson?
Very excited.
First stop on our little Jeep caravan tour where there's 4 cars today and we're stopped at the Chinese temple, the giant Buddha temple, and then just a regular Buddhist wat. Everyone's making donations or offerings of like Fanta drinks. We're at our second stop, which is the grandfather and grandmother rocks.
Family came to get married here, but the big storm came and they all died right here. And the boat sank, so they named their grandmother rocks.
So we are going to see this viewpoint, which is apparently very, very pretty. That is the grandfather rock. Yeah. That right there is the grandmother. Quite windy today, but it's still hot. This one is our Jeep. It's called Mad Max. Going to another Chinese temple. I'm not dressed appropriately for the temples, but I did bring my white cardigan, so I'm going to put that on and hopefully it's going to be a-okay. So before the monk, you can get your fortune told by shaking the container of numbers in front of him, and whatever falls out, you then go and find the message that corresponds with the number on the stick. Carson and I both got 16 as our fortune, so we're gonna go see what that means. So that was our fortune. Alright, Carson and I are sitting on top of the Jeep.
Let's go.
Here we are on top of the Jeep about to go into the jungle. All the other Jeeps are loading up with people too. And we're all
It's awesome.
We are high. We're on top of the Jeep.
Oh my god, this is pretty intense.
Okay, here we go.
No seatbelts or anything. We're just sitting up here holding on.
Here we go. There we go. year on Koh Samui, and there's no water in the waterfall, which we can see, but we're still able to swim where the waterfall would be, so in the pool beneath it. You got it, Carson. How is it? Is it deep? Is it cold?
It's really deep right here.
It's fine, it's fine. I go. Nice.
The waterfall. Alright, we're back from our swim. No one wanted to sit on top again, so Kristen and I helped ourselves to a second turn up top. We're headed to lunch, and the entire ride we did uphill is going to be downhill now, so it's going to be crazy.
When we're at Holy Mom without not going on it.
Okay, so there's something wrong with our car. So this car is going to push us up. That car is going to push us up.
So he's gonna push us.
I guess so.
So that we can start to go. Yeah, they don't seem bad.
See, he looks like he's gearing up to get us on bumper cars.
Oh. This is crazy.
We put two people up that didn't want to sit on the top, but we kind of convinced them to do it, and they must be so scared.
Off we go. Back down the hill.
That does not sound like a good sound.
What is this?
Oh yeah, it is raining.
Just in time.
Poor people.
As we were going up that hill, a part of the car fell off,
Differential.
which is
The part that like connects the transmission and the like wheels that makes them turn. I'm not 100% sure.
oh.
Anyway, it's very, very important.
So we've perched ourselves back down here, and I think someone's coming to get us, but
But it's funny, it fell like right out and was on the road, and the guy went and picked it up.
like a
The
giant
big-
pipe.
The big difference was just fell out of the Jeep. So we just had to reverse down, and we're on this huge, huge hill.
Yeah.
So we had to reverse all the way down to this parking spot. It's pretty hilarious. Looks important.
Okay. That's the pipe that fell out of the inside of the car. And now we're getting shuttled into another one.
That's funny.
Alright.
Poor Mad Max.
Yeah.
Sad
Leaving Mad
moment.
Max behind. Everyone's checking their cars now. Make sure the differentiators are still intact.
Differentiators.
What is it?
Differential.
Differential.
We're not.
The differentials are still intact. Nice vegetarian lunch. We all rode here. There's like 18, 20 people, including the two drivers, in one of the cars, which was wild because Mad Max, our car, died. So, and now we're going to the secret garden.
Apparently people moved up here when they first came here and built it like over 100 years ago. It's
pretty.
And this is where they do the fruit harvesting, including durian, which is that stinky fruit that I have yet to try. But Carson said that's my like strange food I have to try since I'm vegetarian. I don't get to eat the weird meats. I'm gonna try durian at some point. So here we are. Oh, it smells not good.
That's ancient. This
is the cutest little garden. Feels very Alpy, like from Lord of the Rings. Carson's favorite movie series, Lord of the Rings.
It doesn't feel like that at all. It feels like an ancient garden.
Feels like Alpy. That's not a good sign for Mad Max, is it?
Oh god, it's leaking. Oh no, they're just washing it.
Oh, okay.
Still.
Seems our car may not be as fixed as we thought it would. We're just finished our water fight. We're absolutely soaked.
I'm soaked.
It was so much fun though. A lot of fun.
All three of us were up top.
Just off-roading and shooting each other with the water guns as we all drove past our little caravan. It was so fun. So now we're walking up to see the viewpoint because it's quite cloudy today, unfortunately. We made it.